I'm Raina Simpson, and this is my final astronomy project. So for the first thing I chose analyze models of the Sun, Earth, and Moon system. And so the first question was, how does eclipses happen? And my answer is, when the Moon orbits the Earth, it moves between the Earth and Sun. When this happens, the Moon blocks the light of the Sun and casts a shadow on Earth. The second question was, why are eclipses so rare? Since the Moon takes a month, and so my answer is, since the Moon takes a month to orbit the Earth, theoretically, solar eclipses could happen once a month, but there are other factors that prevent it from happening. One reason is that only sometimes the Moon can appear the same size as the Sun, and when the Moon orbits the distance between the Moon and Earth differs depending on the point it is at during the orbit. Also, the Earth is 70% water, which means only 30% of all eclipses are visible from land. And the last question for the first part that I had was, why do seasons happen? What's the cause of it? And the cause of it are the seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth's rotational axis away or toward the Sun during its 365-day path around the Sun. And the next part of my project, I chose to analyze data to compare properties of planets. I'm not going to read all of this, but I'll say a few of them. So Mercury, say the gravity is 3.7 m/s squared. While Venus is 8.87 m/s squared. And Earth is made of 8.08 nitrogen and 20.95% oxygen, while Jupiter is 90% hydrogen and 10% helium. And Saturn, its surface area is 16.49 billion miles squared, while Neptune is 2.941 billion miles squared.